Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys in my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to work out guys Infinix mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys screen refresh rate setting. How to change screen refresh rate in Infinix mobile. Friends, you want to use Infinix mobile screen refresh rate settings, so how to change one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your Infinix mobile phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your device. So friends, scroll it, and friends, how to change screen timeout in Infinix mobile. Open your phone display setting, display brightness setting. After display brightness setting friends, click here screen timeout setting. So friends, screen refresh rate setting, and friends you can select screen refresh rate 60 Hz and 90 Hz. So friends, you want to use screen refresh rate 60 Hz, so friends you can use screen refresh rate, and friends you want to high screen refresh rate 90 Hz screen refresh rate. Friends, you can see smoother animation for smooth. So friends, come back, and friends you can use Infinix mobile high screen refresh rate 90 Hz screen refresh rate you can use in your device. And friends, you want to use normal medium, so friends click here 60 screen refresh 60, and friends you can see auto switch screen refresh rate is automatic screen refresh rate. So friends, click here, and friends you can use your auto screen refresh rate setting in your Infinix mobile. So like that friends, you can select screen refresh rate 90, 60 and auto screen refresh rate. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to use screen refresh rate setting. Friends, you want to change font size, so you can change font size, you can set font size from here in your device. Bye friends.